So this is Jason come from Shenzhen cardot and electronic company limited. This is a new product 1000 PSR. Today I will teach you how to learn the rfid tag to manuality. These are the tag. These two black tags have been finished program, and two blue tags have not programmed to this manuality. Today I will program the two blue tag to manuality later. Firstly, I show you how does this product work. Okay, I connect this 12 port. Okay, I connect this red wire from 6P cables. This is black wire from the 6. Sorry, this is manuality black wire. Okay, ground negative. Okay, this is white black wire, unlock wire. This is white wire. This is lock wire. This is brown wire. This is direction light wire. Toning. It is also called toning light wire. Okay. If you want to drive your car, firstly you need to unlock. They are positive wires, so I use them to touch the 12 pole. 12 pole is red 12 pole. This okay unlock. When you press the unlock button, just like this video, touch the 12, unlock, and this swipe, touch of RF loop. Yes, active. Yeah, active. Okay. Blue backlight is blue. It means you can push start engine. Okay. In the second video, I will show you how do I push start engine. About this video, I don't show you how that work. Okay, I just show you program of RFID tag program. Okay, now let me press the lock button. Okay, this is lock wire. This is direction light. You must click this way. Okay, touch 12. They are positive. Okay, touch yes, off. When you press the lock button, remote lock button, this start button will be disabled. Okay, blue light will be off. Now let me tell you how to teach the RFID tag to this manuality. Okay. Okay. Firstly, this unlock where unlock, and then touch RFID blue tag. Touch the yes, close to the RFID loop. Yes, no response. Okay, now I teach this blue tag to this manuality. Okay, firstly, must be in disarm status. So you need to press your remote unlock button. This is black white wire. This is brown wire, direction light. Yes, this firstly unlock, touch. Okay, unlock, and then there is another button inside of this manuality. Okay, hold this button. Hold it, but don't lose your hand until the blinks blue light will blinks. It means learning status, and then you use the tag touch the RFID. When you see blinks again, learning successful. Okay, hold, don't lose your hand. Yes, learning status. Yes, okay, lose your hand. Okay, yes, blinks again, it exits learning status. Okay, let me try again. Okay, let me check the RFID tag is learning is successful or not. Okay, unlock wire. Okay, yeah, I just learned this RFID tag to this manuality successful. No response because you didn't press unlock button. Okay, this unlock. Okay, then so final. Okay, you close lock the do is lock where whatever, and then unlock where. Yes, successful. Yeah. Okay, let me try again. Lock. Sorry, this is broom wire. Connect, touch. Yes. Okay. Lock, and then press unlock button. Touch the tail. Unlock. Yes. Good. Okay. White wire. Lock. Yes. Unlock. Okay. Unlock. Yeah. Yeah. No response. No response. Okay. Let me done. Program again. Unlock. And then hold this button. Don't lose your hand. Hold. Blink. Okay. Notice status. Yes. 1. 2 blinks. Okay, successful. Okay, exit notice status. Okay. Lock state. Unlock. White black. Well, unlock. Then, yes, good. Learning is successful. Lock. Yeah. I use this another way. Unlock. Yes. Lock. Sorry. Wrong way. Lock. Unlock. Another way. Okay. Yes. Good. Good. Close. Yes. Good. Thank you. Thank you for your watching. This is learning state. Learn progress video. It is easy to watch. It is easy to learn. Thank you.